on the other side. Maybe you should come take a trip sometime. Oh, you seem keener when they turn to night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a line dance, but this is a line dance that one of my viewers suggested. So shout out to you. This one's going to be a really fun one. And let's get started. Okay, so you're going to do a jump forward. So I have a couple variations for this. You can do an actual jump forward, or you can take it a little bit easier and just do a simple right left, which I'm going to do just because I am pregnant. I'm going to take it a little bit easier. So I'm going to do a simple right left, or you can do the 2 feet jumping forward. All right, so you go right left, and then you're going to do a wobble. So basically you're just going to have everything loose. Upper body loose, legs are loose, hips are loose, and you're not going to move your feet. You're just going to go for 4 counts, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Might feel silly, but once the music comes on, you can really get into it. Okay? So you're going to step right, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to go back, right, left, or you're going to do a jump back, just like this. Jump. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, from the top, it is right, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and back, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to lean to your right, so leaning on that right foot, and I just do like a right, left, and then you do the wobble, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then leaning to your left, left, right, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So from the top, it is right, left, and the wobble. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the back, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. To your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And when I say left, I mean leaning on your left. And when I say right, meaning leaning on your right foot, okay? So when I say right, we lean to our right. When I say left, we lean to our left. Okay? Awesome. Moving on. You're going to step forward, and you're going to do right, left. So you're transferring your weight forward, back, and you're going to do a cha-cha-cha, which is just a right, left, right. Okay? So right, left, right, left, right. Same thing with the left. Left, right, left, right, left. Good, and you can really get into this move, okay? Especially, like I said, once the music comes on, you can really get into this dance. So, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. I'm gonna go a little bit slower. So again, it is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Awesome. Now from here, we're going to do a quarter turn to our left, and you're going to step on your right foot, and you're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, which is just 8 steps. Okay? So let's go from the right foot. So right, left, 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 right, left. Very good. And that's the whole dance. But we would do it again facing a new wall, okay? So let's go from the top, facing the same wall again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right. And left. And right, left, right, left, right, left, right. This is the cha-cha-cha. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. How's that? Good? Okay, new wall, same dance. And this is a 4-wall dance, just letting you guys know. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. And lean to the right. And the left. And right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We make a quarter turn to our left. We step right, left, right, left, right, left, right, Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the right. And the left. Get into it. Right, left. Left, right. Cha, cha, cha. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right. Last time. New wall, same dance. Really get into it. This is a fun one. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the right. And the left. And here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Very good. And that's the dance. Thank you to my viewer for suggesting this. This was definitely a fun one. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed, and please give it a thumbs up if you did. See you next time. Oh, and another thing, if you guys are enjoying my videos and you are not a subscriber, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. You'll get notifications for it, and you'll be updated on all my latest videos. Also, if you are not following my Instagram, please do that. I'll have that link down below, and any other links that you need, all will be down in the description box, all right? Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.